Next up, the cruise terminal. This one's super easy to find as it's a marked area on the map. All the way down at the far center south of the map, you'll find the cruise terminal here. There are quite a few entrances, though you only need to open one of them with the key. The rest of them you can open from the inside through use of the deadbolt system. And in fact, I found a cruise terminal key. How lucky is that? Now, of course, you may find yourself some pushback while navigating towards this side of the map, though traveling on the water side, things should be mostly clear. There's only a few sparse pockets of AI running around. Just to keep in mind, there is a spawn point all the way down on the far southwest side of the cruise terminal, so you may run into players while you're in the area if they haven't already moved out of it. So there are quite a few ways that we can get in here, but the safest is probably from the water side through the use of sneaking around, and of course coming in with a silenced weapon. That is, of course, if you're not spotted, and the whole sneakiness is game over. Now, when you do get to the area, there are tons of level 1 and some level 2 guards running around, so just be prepared for a bit of pushback, but it's really not that bad at all. So running around to the actual cruise terminal itself, it's very easy to spot and quite a noteworthy building, and there are many entrances around it, pretty much like a stronghold. You will find enemies inside as if it were a stronghold, so do be more than prepared for the fight you're about to enter. Now, inside of here, you'll find usual stronghold loot, as well as tons and tons of AI to fight, and of course, your favorite, armored AI. Now, of course, it's probably safest to find your way outside of the building and start working your way back into it. If you get too scared, you can always hop over the edge and come back from afar. Well, we did manage to get in here with pretty much starter weapons, nothing too crazy required, and of course it is made a lot easier through the fact that we can bait them out into the street to fight here on our terms instead of theirs. It's already cleared out quite a bit, but there are still tons and tons of AI inside of here. This place is seriously populated. You'll find a few toolkits, lots and lots of Legion deal data as well, and of course many orange boxes for you to explore and enjoy. Now, inside of this building we will find the cruise terminal office, for which you will need a key should you choose to come here with it. You'll need a key for the outside and of course for the inside as well. Anyways, that's about it for this quick guide. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.